the Osmo Mobile 3 combo. It's awesome. At least I'm hoping so. So I wanted to bring this little quick video to you. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded on this channel, but it doesn't matter. I've been doing some work on my other channel, but I decided that I want to come back to the channel that started it all, this one. And we're going to be bringing more product reviews. We're going to be bringing a lot more what I'm doing with my business now, and I'm really excited. So you're going to catch a few uploads that I had done for my other channel, but like I said, I'm coming back. We're going to be doing an all new thing here, which I am very, very proud of. But this thing is something that I wanted on a spur of the moment. I wasn't even sure why I wanted it, but then I had an idea for the live streams that I want to do here in the future, very near future, and those live streams are going to include me doing a lot of work here in the office with shirt printing, heat pressing, and stuff like that. So it's going to give me hopefully the versatility of moving about in my office with tracking, and kind of just showing you and bringing you along with what I'm doing, so you can kind of see me in every aspect of this office. And I think it's going to be very unique. Nobody's really done it before that I've seen, and I think it's going to work out really, really well. Just have to play with it and figure out how to really do it. Now these live streams will be captured by phone, and like I said, hopefully this Osmo Mobile 3 combo will work. Now originally I was looking at the Zhiyun Smooth 3, and had pretty good reviews, and then I saw there was a Zhiyun Smooth 4, and I was really looking forward to getting that until I went to Best Buy. I went to Best Buy because I had a $100 gift card, and I said, let me go try to find this Zhiyun Crane 3. They did have those, and they had the kit as well. But I started looking at reviews because I saw this Osmo, and I don't know if a lot of you know, but I started off my early adoption with DJI. The only product that I actually had of theirs was the Osmo, I think it was like the Osmo, I forgot what it was called, Osmo Plus or something like that. And it was the handheld gimbal with the camera, and I got the little Z arm for it, which was really cool. But I realized very quickly when I got it, I was an early adopter, that thing was super heavy, and vlogging with it was just not, it was not ideal. And I was really disappointed with it, low light performance and whatnot, and I got rid of it. And I was kind of sour about DJI products aside from the drones from that moment on. Now they have like the Osmo Pluses, and they're so tiny. I saw it when I was at Best Buy, and I was just like, holy crap, that thing is so tiny now. It's like this big. And I was just like, now that is what I would have expected. So I might be in the looks to getting one of those soon. I'm not sure if I want to start vlogging again with such a small device, but this thing, like I said, is something that I wanted directly for my mobile devices, and I'll be using it quite a bit to see how it really goes and how it really works. But might capture a few things with it using my what is it? Where is it at? My One Wheel XR. That'd be kind of cool to see and to use on that thing. Get some really cool footage. But yeah, definitely looking forward to this. So let's unbox it. Oh, it comes in a pretty nice case. Looks like we've got some accessories. Now the main package. Pretty sweet case, if you ask me, and that's pretty sweet. And if it's that tiny, that's gonna be pretty awesome for traveling. Really awesome. Wow, that's super tiny. That's insane. Look how small this thing is. Holy crap. So it's got a foldable design, obviously. That is dope. Boom. That's pretty dope. It's got the little wheel, it's got the record button, and I think this is the standby button, I believe, and the trigger right there. Pretty awesome. I can't wait for this thing. This thing is gonna be pretty dope. And yeah, looking forward to using it. Anyway, if you guys like this unboxing, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the live streams. Stay tuned for more videos of me creating my shirts and working with my business. It's pretty dope. Can't wait for you to see it. Catch you in the next one. Peace.